Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mumiang, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning this house. You can see how it is in a mess. My mom is around, she has not been feeling well. That's why you are seeing her with a mask. This house has been in a mess for quite a while because I've been up and down, but today I'm going to be cleaning it, just to wipe it down, not deep cleaning, just to clean it so that it can be clean. So join me and feel motivated just to work on your house. It is just to make order and clean the house a little bit. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Continue to support me. I'll really appreciate you guys. So let's jump and continue with the video. In this house, under these pillows, there must be something, mostly pens, books, or anything to do with reading, because my daughter loves to read a lot. She loves to write and read, so that is a must to find under these pillows. But I'm glad that she loves to study, because when we were growing up, I can't remember the time that I really loved reading. No, I can't remember. But for her, she loves to read. So I appreciate and I thank God for that. I would like to ask, do you find things under the chair or under the seats, no, the cushions? Because for me, it is a norm. This blow dry, I used it on my baby's hair. I usually make her hair at home because she doesn't like to go to the salon. Also, I don't like her going to the salon because she's a crybaby. This house was too dirty. I had to sweep first so that even the sand particles I can be able to remove them and sweep them away. Also under the seats, because as I said before, this house has been so dirty for almost, I had not washed this house for almost 3 to 4 days. So I decided to sweep so that I can mop the floors well. Let me take this opportunity to welcome our new subscribers. We are road to 400 subscribers. I thank you, new subscribers, and my subscribers who have been always there working with me in this journey. It has not been easy, but I thank God we are road to 400. And may God bless you all who have been supporting me, sharing me out, and also subscribing to my channel. For the ones who are not who have not subscribed, may you consider to subscribe. Let's hit 400 by the end of this week. I will really appreciate, and thank you so much, because it is not, I have not done anything unto you, just that you see me worth of your subscription. I really appreciate you all, and thank you so much. A house with kids. I had removed these things from here and they are back. A house with kids. I washed, they started playing, it is dirty again. So I had to sweep so that I can be able to put back my carpet. Tell me in the comment section, how do you deal with this? Because you being a parent, you cannot stop the kids from playing. They must play, because like my babies play in the house. So tell me, how do you deal with this? Because you wash, after some few minutes, less than 20 minutes, the house is dirty again. You have to clean it again. Things on the seats, oh my God. But what to do? We are parents. We have to accept and pay the debt. That is what my mom keeps on telling me, that I'm paying the debt of what she did to me. I've noted that this carpet is kind of small for this house, but I'm not planning to buy another carpet now, because my baby is using a baby walker, so he has to be playing around and walk around. That's why I'm not considering to buy another carpet. While editing this video, I'm wondering, what was I doing? I was placing these mats and I myself was just disorganizing them again. Well, anyway. Now the house is clean and I'm excited, but this shoe, my daughter was wearing it, she removed it and left it here. I have to collect it because I have to show you what I've done. This is parenthood for you. You clean, they make it dirty. But we thank God for the gift of our womb. So, after this, later I decided to put a tablecloth on my dining. It was much later after my babies had eaten, and that is how the look was. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. And in today evening, we are going to be having biryani. You will see it at the end of this video. This biryani I learned from Rays of Sly. So if you would like to know how to make the